Hey! Can you do us a favour? He's a little rushed because T has been ill. He was meant to be coming on. He's just been throwing up. So I just wanted to. I've just rushed on because he can't make it. So I just want to make sure you can hear me okay. Everything all right? Because I wasn't expecting to be live streaming. He's a little bit rushed. Let me see if we can. Music card down. All right. So I've had me edit other stuff. Let's volume a little low on the mic. The volume is that any better? Or is this the music that's a little low? Or me? Yo, yo, yo! Being super bearish. Really nice transition. No real move yet. So was expecting something like this. Our algo on the 2 hour has been bearish, sequence 1. Yeah, I was in gold. Still a sequence 2, right? We've already taken the high of the previous hour. So that already increases probability this is going to be a bullish hour. Let's have a look. We're on 2 hours. Let's put to 1. There we go. So the only thing initially, so what have we got? We got took the high. That's like a 60% probability of closing bullish. We closed below the open in segment 1. So that's a 63%. But now segment 2's closed above. So positive. So we've got a couple of, we got positive that we've broke the high already. Positive, segment 2's closed above. Positive, the algo. We're still bullish, but what's our negative? Negative yet, we haven't taken the high or low, so we haven't got anything giving us that yet. And we are very much more price below the open than above the open, so but yeah, I was at gold watching it cross this 0 line here. I did take an entry at this point. Not quite, didn't get quite the retracement we wanted, but with that coming over, with the transition, with the probability, and it's a payday, right? So it's in line with the higher time frame. That was good. So we've had an early signal and we're bearish 70%, right? I've just shorted already. I was already in a bit of a short, but I'm gonna. How long we got? Oh my god, we've got 10 minutes until fucking open. And I'd like to take that trade right now. Targeting the low. But we have the open, so stupid idea really. So I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna wait. Oh bugger. I must have fucked up my NQ trade. Oh, yeah, that's right. I got tagged at BE. What a shame. We'd have been in, right? 50%. We'd have already taken some profit. Stop at break even. So obviously New York open, so which is why we're not in it. But we'd have had... So this is our trade, right? This is what I'm building out for the boot camp, what I'm working on. So we've got our stop loss area. So this is where we want to place our stop inside this zone. Just slightly above the level. Never on the level, because sometimes we can come back, especially with pairs like ES, where the ticks are quite thick. NQ's a little different, because obviously they're only a lot smaller. Hey, congratulations, mate. We walk in this morning having a chat. We were just talking about how buzzing we are for you passing your challenge, getting your certificate. I hope you're putting it on the wall. I've got my first one somewhere. Where is it? That's my first payout. Printed out. Should be on the wall, really. That was my first payout. Beginning of the year. And then... God, it's from years ago. I bet you my wife's binned it. Anyway, I've got a copy of it. But you should keep a copy, man. It's a big momentum. 3 years working towards that. That's why I kept mine. Even though it's missing. We are killing it on the live today. We've got hundreds of people watching. Don't know what's going on. We're going to have to do a little better, aren't we? Five minutes until New York Open. Should we just play a bit of poker instead? What do you reckon, Aaron? Shall I bring up some poker? You play Texas Hold'em? Yeah, what a shame for them. So, let's have a little look at today. What are we trading? NQ, ES. Look at the drop on ES, that was nice. So, ES... Yeah, same thing. Tagged the 50%. Already done the 0.75. Although we don't have the probability here. The 3 hour is a strong bearish. And I think the 3 hour is only just started. So the 3 hours only just started on ES. Your Wi-Fi had some trouble. So, we're waiting for YM to open. That's on regular trading hours. What day are we today? Tuesday. So, where did we close yesterday? We might be... Okay, there we closed. So, we're going to open potentially with a gap, right? We've got 3 minutes left on ES. So we opened down here. Being annoying now. Yep. That's our candle. There's our open. Imagine NQ is going to be about the same. was volatile open. So return to... So right now this is our gap, yeah? So if we go on regular trading hours, that'll be... It's a little bit further back than that, but that'll be roughly where it was. Head down towards TP2. Pretty sure in 3 minutes time we might just, even if we are going to go the other way, we might grab these lows. Stop with bit break even. ES wouldn't be a trade, we don't have the probability. ES might come up. We've only got 2 minutes, so it's likely that it's going to open with a gap anyway. Yeah, no worries. So we switch to regular trading hours, right? There's the close. This is where we currently are, right? So we have this gap. From here to here. Last minute. So this is looking at a 2 hour candle, right? So we've got an 89% probability of this 2 hour closing bearish. Make that a bit cleaner. There's our 2 hour open. When we took this low here, that gave us high probability of this being our high. Drop down. Using this hour as our stop loss. Entry, first TP, break even, second and third. Didn't take it obviously because we had New York open, which isn't looking as aggressive as it can be. So CL is expected to close. We've got a 90% probability of CL closing bearish this hour. Big wick up from ES. Nearly filling the gap. See? Oh, there's the gap. Half filled. NQ just dives down. Not even attempt. So TP2 would have been hit. So this would be TP2. 1. And then this would be our runner. I was in here. In that trade. And gold. There's our nice confirmation for gold this hour to be bullish, which is good. 72% probability, so, you know, and we're in a sequence one, which I like. So right now we have a 87% probability that this is our low for the hour, with us taking this high. 2675, 32 minutes. 2675.50 on gold. Maybe a second. 2675.50, 2675. It's already tagged. So that would have been me in. I'll go in with way too many contracts. Hang on a second. Great. How do I just close the trade? Back in with 3. So here would have been our entry. We'd have just got tagged. I didn't quite make it in time. Let's see whether that was the entry. Stop. Target. So TP1's just been hit. So the algo's above 72%. We've broken the high of the previous hour. We've taken the high of this hour, given us our... We've got a lot of bullish confluences. And then that would be break even. So when we hit TP1, we put our stop to break even. So that would have been... That on break even. Yeah. Correct. We're just talking about the... Obviously there's a lot of work going on behind the scenes, but we were talking about this morning just about this indicator. Couple of options, different ways of trading it, but we want to have the statistics behind it as well, right? So when you adjust it, it's showing you what the results were and everything. Hello! So yeah, so this would be a break-even trade, right? You'd have had a small bit of take profit at the 0.5, stop at break-even, then it would have taken us out. Let's have a look at NQ. Okay, now the move comes in NQ. So same thing again, we'd have had TP1, TP2, and now we're taking out a break-even. So that would be that trade. Now, with the New York Open, so we wouldn't look to take this trade, but just going through how we're managing it, how it's looking. But yeah, because of the volatility in the Open, we aren't looking to take these trades. I'm just demonstrating right now, you know, where we've got the algo aligning and what we're looking for, what we'd be doing. And then hopefully we'll see that align. Yeah, so CL is a bearish. Hey, I appreciate you stopping in. We're just talking Lazy Boy setup. Obviously, this is going to what's going to be used in the boot camp when we go into it. What our management's going to be, how it's going to work. So this is going to be our being. So we've had 1, 2, break even. ES wasn't a trade because the probability is not high enough, but the 3 hour has come in. 3 hours only just started on ES, so we're a long way away. Let's put it back to an hour.